In this video, I'll guide you through how to add reCaptcha in Webflow. Adding reCaptcha to your Webflow site is a great way to enhance security by protecting your forms from spam and abuse. It's a straightforward process, and I'll take you through each step to ensure you have it set up correctly. First, let's start by heading over to webflow.com. Go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your projects. Select the site where you want to add reCaptcha. Just click on the site's thumbnail to enter the editor. Now that you're in the Webflow Designer, you'll notice a toolbar on the left side of the screen. This is where you can add and manage elements on your site. Look for the Add Element button, which is typically represented by a plus icon. Click on that to open the list of elements you can add to your page. With the Elements panel open, you'll want to find the reCaptcha element. There's a handy search bar at the top of this panel, which makes it easier to find what you need. Type reCaptcha into the search bar and it should appear in the results. Once you see the reCaptcha element, simply click on it and drag it over to your form block. This is usually the area of your page where users can enter information, such as a contact form or sign-up form. Drop the reCaptcha element into this section to integrate it with your form. And there you have it. You've successfully added reCaptcha to your Webflow site. This simple addition will help verify that submissions are coming from real users, keeping your site safer from bots and spam. If you're looking for a bit more customization or need to manage your reCaptcha settings, you can do so through your Google reCaptcha account. Just make sure you have the necessary site key and secret key from Google to configure it properly in Webflow. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to add reCaptcha in Webflow. It's a small but powerful step in maintaining the integrity and security of your online forms. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.